Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the oil on your model 3365 or 3365 Pro Series front tine tiller. First you would remove the depth regulator. Next you would put the wheels of the unit into the till position, which would pivot them all the way back. Next, you would remove the 4 bolts holding the dirt shield in place. One located here, here, and there are 2 on the opposite side of the tiller in the same position. Then you put a slight pressure down on the back of the tine shield and slide the dirt shield out of it. I tipped the tiller on its back just to show the exact location of the drain plug for draining the oil. It is located right here. It is a square insert into a pipe plug that goes into the crankcase. To remove this, you would use the 3/8 extension, and that fits right into there. And you take the ratchet and remove it. But do not remove it if it's tipped in this position, because the oil will not drain out properly. When you're actually draining the oil on it, you would want to leave the tiller in this position and place some type of a catch mechanism, whether it's a coffee can or a drain pan, to catch the used oil as it comes out of the tiller. The plug is rather tight in there, so it will take a little effort to get it to come loose. Once it is loose, you can use the extension by itself to pull the plug, and then the oil will drain out. Once the oil has quit dripping, you can reinstall the drain plug. You will need to tighten the plug fairly tight so that it doesn't vibrate out. Now put the 4 bolts back into the body. With all 4 of the bolts reinstalled, then you can tighten them down. With the dirt shield tightened back down, you can put the wheels back into the transport position and reinstall your depth regulator. We would now refill the engine with oil. The different model motors, you would add it to the area or in the same place as the dipstick. You remove the dipstick and add your oil in here.